What is up, guys? It's Shamsy here with another video, and yeah, and today I'm just gonna be replacing my thermostat because it's been pretty temperamental. Sometime it'll go full temperature, sometime it won't, sometime it will just be chilling at 60 degrees. Ain't good. Got a new thermostat. Boom, 10 quid from your car parts. So you gotta take advantage of the fucking sales what they got, because they got sales all month round. Don't know what's wrong with them, but they do. Anyway, so yeah, just gonna show you how to change the thermostat. Easy job, 10-minute job. It could be 45 minutes if you don't know what you're doing, but couple bolts, move a couple stuff, and then yeah, it should be good. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so basically you're gonna want to pop your bonnet. Once you pop your bonnet, you want to have your toolbox that just magically appears on your windscreen. I love it when the car does that. Hop out the car with a 4.4. Fucking hell, shit. And yeah, my bad. So your thermostat is located right down there. Let me try to get you lot to focus. I can't get you guys to focus. It's just right there somewhere. Anyway, it's right here underneath this pipe that goes straight to the intake. Oh, look at the engine bay, so nice and clean. Anyway, first up, what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to remove this pipe here. Then you want to disconnect your battery. Take off your battery. You want to move this. If you have installed this, you're gonna want to move it. And then yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down somewhere. First step, you're gonna want to remove the battery. Basically what you need is I think it's a 10mm, I don't know, but you pop this cover off right here. Boom, that's gone. Also, you want to remove this if you do have it. Yes, I know one's missing, but anyway. So open your toolbox. Next step, you're going to want to move this tray right here with all the fuses on it. So you're going to remove this quick. So shit. Anyway, once you remove the battery and the intake feed going into the airbox, now this is where your thermostat is. As you can see from mine, it is leaking a bit, not sure why, but please do not lose these bolts, bro, because if you lose them, you're fucked, mate. And don't come crying to me if you lose it. I did tell you, I warned you, disclaimer. Anyway, so what you got one bolt here, and I think one more underneath. Yeah, you got one more underneath, and they all should be a cheeky 10mm. Yeah, they're 10mm. So you got 3 10mm bolts going along this thermostat housing. Now obviously what you can do is remove this motherfucking clip right here, but I'm not gonna do it because that is the fucking worst possible thing you could ever do. So I'm just gonna loosen this up. You might lose a bit of coolant, so if you do lose coolant, make sure to top it back up. Got all that in my intake. So Okay, so we got the bolt out. Then you should see the thermostat right here. It should pop out just like so. Plug it up as well. Never forget to plug it up as well while you're doing it as well. Throw that away. Now we need to take off the old O-ring. So in order to do that, I'm going to get a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to pry it between the O-ring and the sealant, plug it up. Boom. Just like so. Never ever reuse the old O-ring because it could be faulty as well. Hence the whole reason why I'm changing it in the first place. Looks the same. Cool. Now, moist. Get it really moist. Just so it could sit in there properly. Okay. That should expand or whatever. Now, once you fitted the thermostat, make sure that you fit everything back exactly how it should be. So that's tightening up all 3 10mm bolts so it's snug. And also, once you've tightened it up, fill up the coolant to how much you've lost, because I guarantee you're going to lose about 1/4 to 1/2 of coolant while doing this. So fill it up and then just continue doing what you're doing, as in fitting the battery back, fitting the tray back, fitting the intake back, and then once you're done, leave the coolant cap off, start your engine, and make sure that all the air comes out the system, because if you don't want air in your coolant system, trust me, it's a fucking pain. But yep, that's essentially how you change your thermostat. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the rest of the videos play. So yeah.